In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color depending on the date in Excel. This is really useful if you want your spreadsheet to visually highlight things like upcoming deadlines, overdue tasks, or anything that's time-sensitive, without you having to manually update colors every day. We're going to do this using a built-in Excel feature called conditional formatting. This lets Excel automatically change the look of a cell based on rules that you define. In our case, those rules will be based on dates. First, open your Excel file and select the cells that contain the dates you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight a range, or, if your dates are in a whole column, click the column letter at the top to select it. It's important to select the cells first, because whatever rules we create will apply to this selection. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top. Look for the Conditional Formatting button. Click it, and you'll see several built-in options related to dates. If you choose Highlight Cells Rules and then A Date Occurring, Excel gives you quick presets like yesterday, today, tomorrow, last week, next week, and so on. This is great for simple scenarios, such as highlighting anything that's happening today in a specific color. In the A Date Occurring window, choose the time range you want, like today or next 7 days. Then pick a formatting style from the drop-down. You can use one of the default styles or click Custom Format to choose your own fill color, font color, and even borders. Click OK, and you'll see Excel instantly color the cells that match that condition. If you want more control, you can create your own rule. Again, click Conditional Formatting, then New Rule, and choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, you can compare the cell's date to the current date using the Today function. For example, you might create a rule that highlights dates earlier than today, so anything overdue shows in red. Once you enter your formula, click Format. Set your desired fill color, then confirm with OK. You can repeat this process to create multiple rules, one for overdue dates, one for today, and another for upcoming dates, each with its own color. Excel will automatically update the colors every day as the current date changes. And that's how you change cell color based on dates in Excel using conditional formatting.